Hi friends, this is Raja. Today I would like to discuss on State Bank of India quarter 4 results where the profit have jumped fourfolds. So this video would like to discuss on what is in it for us in terms of how the trader can get benefited or an investor can get benefited. Before getting into this video, I request everyone to subscribe for this video so that you will get the more information on stock market. So the disclaimer of this video is only for the educational purpose. State Bank of India is one of the oldest bank in India, which is running more than 200 years now, and this company is currently founded in 1806 in Calcutta. The market capital of State Bank of India is 1,67,604 crores, and 52-week high for the stock is 373 rupees, and 52-week low is 149 rupees. The book value of the stock is 262 rupees 0.75. Stock P ratio is 10.50 and return on capital employed is 4.66%. The return of equity is 1% and the sales growth for the last 3 years is 4.71%. The face value of the stock is 1 rupee. One of the important points what we need to note here is the current price, which is 118.25, is less than the book value, which is a very good signal. And this stock has been listed in stock market in 1995 1st March. In the last 1 year, the stock has been traded, for example, 7th June 2019 to 7th June 2020, the stock had a high of 373 rupees and a low at 149 rupees on 22nd May 2020. And for the same YTD perspective, for this year alone, if you see, the stock has touched 334 rupees on 1st Jan and as a low of 22nd May at 149 rupees. And this is only for the range what the stock has been dealing with in the last 1 year. That is what we would like to understand here. And the all-time high for the stock is 3,515 rupees. That is on November month of 8th, 2010. And all-time low for the stock is 140 rupees, which is on 2001. And now it is trading at 189 rupees. So what is some of the insight on the State Bank of India result is the net profit which is coming at 3,581 crores, which is a 327% growth, 327% increase over the quarter 4 of 2019. That is the year before 2019 quarter compared to that quarter and this quarter result, it is 3,581 crores. Even though there is an impact on COVID-19 for the month of February and March, this bank has given an extraordinary result. The operating performance has increased, total deposit has grown from 11.34% year on year. The credit growth stood at 5.64% year on year, mainly driven by retail, personal advances and foreign advances. The home loan, which is considered 22% of domestic advances, has grown by 13.86%. These are some of the key reasons for this growth for this State Bank of India. And COVID-19, how every organization is handling in this challenge as an opportunity. How State Bank handling this challenge as an opportunity, which we are going to see. So this information has been taken from the State Bank of India investor presentation, which they submitted on NSE website. So you can take this information there also. So for have a complete information on State Bank of India. So State Bank of Employees availed work from home with 38%. The State Bank of Employees donated 108 crores to the PM Care Fund. And State Bank of India robust protective measures, protective gear taken up branches and offices and ATM. What they did to ensure the safety, which they covered here, and their branches of 98% of the branches are remained open and operational, and 90% of ATMs are remained operational, and 91% of their alternate channels are operational. Other financial support to customers is 17,116 crores related to the loan they have signed for a COVID, and moratorium was availed with 21.8% of the customer of the entire base, and 23% of the term loan customer has availed the moratorium benefit. And the State Bank of India challenges how they make as an opportunity, which they listed out here. So asset quality, the retail, where they expect the most of the people expect to have a job cut and salary reduction, whereas the retail retail population is very low here, so which is one of the best advantage for this company. And there is a pressure on other incomes like forest pressure, loan processing, business continuity. These are the measures they have taken against the COVID-19 to mitigate these challenges and came out of this. For example, one of the points which I would like to highlight here is Agri have cleaned a significant part of Agri book in financial 2020, relatively less impacted COVID-19 disruption. So much of the agricultural issues are related to the loan. They have already taken consideration in terms of the provision. That is the reason it will have a lesser impact in COVID-19, which is expecting on the first Q1 result of 2020. So some of the other things which you would like to understand in detail is retail, agri and MSME business. So what they are saying in retail is robust growth in deposit, because most of the individuals are feel that amount in the bank will be have most of safety perspective, that is flight to safety. And robustness of a retail portfolio is established only about 21% of borrowers availed the moratorium. Since RBI has given instructed to give bank to moratorium, out of it only 21% of the users has availed this moratorium, which is one of the positive signals. And opportunity in agri infrastructure funding and emergence of contract farming. These are some of the opportunities in the COVID scenario also, which bank is portraying to their investors. So these are some of the growth perspective of State Bank of India, which will this company will definitely have a good bet to grow. If we plan for some stock, it is highly encourageable to have some stock as one of the portfolio. If you are having, you can include this stock in a portfolio for a long term or a short term perspective, so that you can watch this stock performance and you can earn more money of this stocks. That's all about this video. Let me come back with the next video shortly. I request you to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.